everyone! Welcome back to my channel. So for today is gagawa tayo ng isang napakasimple pero napakasikat na recipe, ang recipe ng lumpia. But I know that everyone already know how to do it, but I'll show you my way and my ingredients. Okay, so tara! And now, let's start with the basic ingredients. So, we have here the ground beef. So, halfly cooked na po siya para wala na yung langsa niya at saka wala na din yung grease. Alright, so we have here patatas, and then carrots, and then the baggy beans. So, actually, chinop ko na siya ng maliliit na peraso, depende sa preferences ko. And then, garlic, and then onion. Alright? So, and then we have here lumpia wrapper, then the chicken broth mix powder. And then, let's start with the cooking. So, naglagay ako ng oil sa isang pan. Nilagay ko na yung garlic at saka onion once ready na yung oil. And then, once translucent na yung look ng onion, nilagay ko na yung halfly cooked na ground beef. So, it will take mga 3 to 4 minutes or 2 to 3 minutes. Ilagay na natin yung ating patatas at saka carrots. So, i-mix lang natin well. And then, once tingin mo is halfly cooked na din yung gulay natin, is pwede na natin ilagay yung ating baggy beans. 2 to 3 minutes is ilagay na natin yung ating mga seasoning. Lagyan ng konting toyo, lagyan ng asin, at saka ilagay na din natin yung ating chicken mix or chicken broth mix powder. And lagyan ng konting asin if you think na kulang pa yung lasa niya, alright? After 2 to 3 minutes, is pwede na natin siyang kunin sa pan and ready na to wrap. But yes, before doing so, is kailangan na natin munang tanggalin yung excess water niya para hindi mabasa yung ating lumpia wrapper. Now, ready na to wrap. So, again guys, I know that you already know how to do this kasi lagi itong present sa any handaan natin sa bahay, yung fiesta, yung birthday. Pero I just wanted to share to you guys that some of the people I know are using egg white para i-close totally yung dulo ng wrapper. But in my case, I'm just using water para mas makatipid tayo. And also, para sa akin, it doesn't make any sense kung gagamit kayo either sa dalawa. Alright, so ready na to fry! Let's heat some oil, and once ready na yung oil natin, is ilagay na yung lumpia. So, mga after 1 to 2 minutes lang, ang bilis lang talaga niyang maluto, is babaliktad muna natin siya, and then 1 to 2 minutes, and then ready na to serve! And guys, since you are still watching this part of the video, I just want to say thank you so much for the support, and I hope you enjoyed this one, and yeah, see you in my next video. Enjoy your day!